Assalamu Alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. Have you ever wondered what truly defines our relationship with Allah? Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, is the foundation of Islam. Let's uncover its beauty, power, and purpose in your life. Welcome to 5-Star Deen, Tiny Steps to Jannah. So, what is Tawheed? Tawheed means believing in only one true God, Allah. It is the most important part of being a Muslim. There are 3 types of Tawheed. First, Tawheed ar-Ruboobiyyah, oneness in Lordship. We believe that Allah alone is the creator, the owner, the provider, and the one who controls everything in the world. For example, when the rain falls or the sun rises, it's not magic, it's Allah who makes it happen. Next, Tawheed al-Asma, wa-Sifaat, oneness in names and attributes. We believe Allah has beautiful names like ar-Rahman, the most merciful, and perfect qualities like He sees everything and knows everything. No one else is like Allah. Lastly, Tawheed al-Uloohiyyah, oneness in worship. We worship only Allah. We make dua, pray, fast, give charity, and do good deeds only for Him. We don't pray to anyone else, not even prophets or saints. Here's a short dua for Tawheed. La ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulk wa lahul hamd, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Meaning, there is no God but Allah, He is one with no partner, He is the kingdom and praise, and He has power over all things. Tawheed is not just a belief, it's a way of life. It shapes how we worship, think, and live every single day. If this video helped you understand Tawheed better, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring Islamic content. Join us on 5-Star Deen. Let's take tiny steps to Jannah together. See you next time, Insha'Allah.